Hi guys, wanna see me react to the emoji cats? Not the emoji cats. Actually, this like it's
Oops. Why didn't that strike me?
Doesn't matter. You go take your flight.
it's like
I'll tell my friends all you.
Oh,
and I wanna go
Dr.
see my thing and
Come, friends.
Max.
Let's know more about
Okay,
migratory birds.
look at one.
Come in. Migratory
This
birds are those birds that travel from one place to another
now.
at
Let's
regular
begin.
intervals over long distances. And they migrate to escape the cold, harsh winter weather in search of food and a warm, cozy shelter. There are various types of migratory birds. Resident birds, pigeons, and doves are good examples. These birds just don't migrate. They are able to find food and shelter where they are staying.
we might not travel a lot, but we do spread love all around from place to place.
Short distance migrants. Robins are short distance migrants. As the name suggests, these birds move only a short distance from lower elevations to mountainside.
Hey, but don't you mistake me for a nightingale. I might look like one, but I'm not, okay?
Oh, my friends won't. They are very smart. Aren't you guys? Medium distance migrants. These birds travel over distances that cover several states. They don't really travel a lot, but no, don't travel less. Isn't it, Mr. Blue Jay?
You seem to know me quite well, Dr. Binox. But there's one more secret about me. Wanna know?
Sure, tell us. We are all waiting.
I'm quite mischievous, Dr. Binox, because I hunt more than I can eat.
Long distance migrants. These birds travel typically from United States and Canada to America. The Arctic tern is an example of long distance
Yeah.
migrants.
And I'm the record holder for covering the longest distance of 44,000 miles.
Oh my, that's huge. Just to let you know, the circumference of the Earth is approximately 29,000 miles. So imagine how much these birds travel. Trivia time! Before migrating, they enter a state of hyperphagia, where the hormone levels compel them to drastically increase their body weight to store fat to use as energy while traveling. And some birds also have the ability to sense the Earth's magnetic field to help them navigate. I need to travel now. Wait till I come back next. I think are the nicest beings on this planet. They never harm anyone. Rather, they eat you all the time. I guess some eat too. And that's why I'm here today to tell you about plants that eat meat. Come with me. Zoom in. Plants that capture prey such as insects, spiders, and eat meat for their survival are known as insectivorous or carnivorous plants. Most of the carnivorous plants live in wet, boggy areas where the soil doesn't have much nutrients. They derive their nutrients from their prey and whatever little nutrients available to them. Digestive system, which helps break down complex food items. The different types of carnivorous plants are pitfall traps, popularly known as pitcher plants. They are pitcher plants because they look like pitcher-shaped vessels filled with fluid. The insect is lured by the syrupy fluid, and just when they come to drink it, they get drowned. Some pitcher plants have a lid on them to trap their prey. Flypaper traps. Some flypaper traps have leaves covered with a sticky substance on which gets caught. These plants also flypaper traps, which are typical like stalks covered with plants to trap insects. Their stalks have digested soup on them to absorb the nutrients. Snap traps. Venus flytrap is the most popular snap trap. Here the plant has multiple leaves that literally snap shut when an insect or spider lands on it. There are some snap traps that are found underwater. They are known as water wheel plants. They do the same thing but underwater. Bladder traps. Plants of this kind work in the most interesting way, where there are sacs on the plant known as bladders that create vacuum and suck the insect to digest it later. Lobster pot traps. The plant first lures its insects with its sweet smelling nectar. Once the insect is trapped inside, it sees light shining through the leaves, which looks like exits. To escape, the insect travels towards the light, which is nothing but another trap. This is the plant's way of actually misdirecting the insect to the inside of the pitcher, where it is caught and eaten by the digestive liquids. Trivia time! Some pitcher plants are so large they can catch and consume rats and frogs. Some carnivorous plants reflect ultraviolet light to attract their prey. Hey, don't go there! Wait, I'll help you. Ugh. Oh, let go. Oh. So, this is me zooming out. Oh, who's that?
Hey, you're disturbing the air around us. Oh, sorry, I know I'm farting a lot today. Oh, oops. Guess you took in a lot of carbon dioxide for lunch yesterday. Yeah, could be.
Did you just hear them, friends? Oh no, not their farts. And that reminds me that I need to tell you about excretion in plants. Come with me. Zoom in. Just like humans, plants too feel the need to remove all sorts of waste material from their bodies. However, plants have a much simpler process of excretion. Hey, did you know that plants sweat? Well, yes. Just like humans have sweat glands, plants have small openings under their leaves called stomata that release water and oxygen, just how the pores of your body release sweat. But their waste material is a lot more useful than ours. Plants also release waste by accumulating it in the vacuoles of aging leaf cells. The leaves then fall off, eventually producing waste material. This process is known as abscission. Don't you sometimes have dry skin that eventually falls off? Yeah, kinda same. Have you noticed leaves changing their color? This happens mostly because of waste pigments that start getting stored inside the leaves. See this? Well, this is another kind of waste produced by the plants, which is often oozed out from the bark of trees. Apart from the sticky fluid, there are other waste products like resins, gums, and latex. But hey, you've got to be careful because sometimes these products can be poisonous, but most of the other times they are quite useful. For example, latex is used to produce gloves and clothing. Trivia time! The bark of a willow tree produces a chemical that helps in the making of aspirin, a medicine for pain and fever. Oak leaves turn brown due to the waste material. So friends, plant more and more trees because they are the reason what I say throughout. Breathe in, breathe in out. That's what I say throughout. Phew. Oh, so you've been watching me work out, eh? Rather, breathe in and breathe out. This is tiring. So, anyways, why don't we talk about breathing today? Still can't get a hint? Well, today we talk about the human respiratory system. Human! Alright, do this right now. You just start running wherever you are. Run, 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 run. Now stop. Isn't your breathing heavy? Well, that's because right now your body needs more oxygen to breathe. And you get oxygen from the air around you. Without oxygen, you'd be like a car without air. A little less full, and wouldn't that be uncool? One of the main reasons why you're alive is oxygen. So, take a deep breath in. When you breathe in, you take in oxygen present in the air. This oxygen passes through your nostrils. There are tiny hairs present in your nostrils that obstruct all the dust particles. Then the air travels to the bronchi, also called the trachea, which filters the air inhaled. The trachea branches out to two tubes called bronchi, where tiny hair called cilia move back and forth, moving the mucus inside. The mucus is a sticky substance that collects germs and other particles that might harm the lungs. The bronchi then carry air into each lung. The right lung has 3 lobes, whereas the left lung has 2 lobes. The left lung is slightly smaller in size to give space to the heart. These lobes are filled with small and spongy air sacs called alveoli, where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide happens. It is here the blood picks up oxygen and lets go of carbon dioxide. Just beneath the lungs, there is a dome-shaped muscle called diaphragm that contracts when you breathe in and expands when you breathe out. It also separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. Trivia time! The lungs are the only organ that can float on water. A person breathes approximately 20,000 times in one day. So friends, didn't you just gasp and grasp all the facts? This is me zooming out.
Lima One Plus robotic mower.
Oh my! This chocolate chip cookie is yummy! And this bar of chocolate is yummiest! Oh, hey there, Mr. Chocolicious!
Hey, Dr. Binox, aren't I so delicious?
And you were once so precious! I mean, the chocolates inside you are just precious!
Oh, really? I didn't.
Let me me take you back to the roots of chocolate and also tell you how chocolate chip cookies and the first zoom in. Mayans from Central America were the first ones to discover
I'm tired.
chocolate in
Let's go back to my bed.
900 AD. They believed that the beans from the cocoa plants could be crushed and made into a liquid that would soon be a Mayan treat. But hey, the liquid wasn't sweet at all. It was rather made of chili peppers, cocoa beans, and water. This is not so bad. But many believe that the discovery of chocolate goes back to Mesoamericans considered cocoa beans to be a gift from the god of wisdom, Quetzalcoatl, who was later banished from the circle of gods for sharing a precious treasure to the humans. Poor Quetzalcoatl. Later, when the Aztecs took over the Mayans,